These two parts, same machine, same powder, same file. One operator confirmed 3 specific signals before hitting start build. The other one missed one. Today, every button on the Thunder SLM-175 control panel, you will know the exact sequence from cold machine to running print, what every sensor means, and the one-go, no-go check to separate a good part from a rude one. This is machine setup mode, where you prepare the machine before any print. 2 groups. The axis controls on the left and the environment controls on the right. We go through them in the order you actually use them. Recoater, the blade that spreads powder after every layer. Always click Recoater Home at the start of a session. Use the movement controls to position it. Type millimeters and use the arrows. The left limit is 465 mm and the right is -20. Exceed either and you get this. And 2 steps to recover. Clear limit, then Recoater Home. And that's done. Build cylinder, your build platform. Home it first every session. Use up and down to set your starting high. The max up is 10 and the max down is 200 mm. The dosing cylinder lowers the piston only for maintenance to empty the container. Dose is different. This adds powder. So tip your value in millimeters and click dose. The recommended starting value is 8. Light. Toggle it to inspect the chamber anytime. Atmosphere. This is where you find the 4 parameters that control the inert gas environment. These are factory pre-configured. Do not change them. Backflush. Your filter cleaning button. When the filter pressure reading in the lower bar hits 3 kPa, the alarm windows fires an alert. Click Backflush to reverse the gas flow and clean the filter. Watch the filter pressure drop. This lower bar is always on screen, setup or build mode. 4 lights reading: oxygen level, chamber pressure, gas flow velocity, and filter pressure. That raises an alert at 3 kPa. Remember that. The alarm window is your event log. Every error, every alert goes here. Read it during every print. Toggle to processing page. Open file. The format is SLC from your slicing software. The model loads into the viewport. Process packed, select the parameter set for your specific powder. This must match exactly. The wrong pack means a defective print. The geometry button. Click the model in the 2D viewport. Hit unlock, then move, rotate or delete. And you can check the estimated time before you do anything else to know how long your session will be. Supply ratio. It controls how much powder fits per layer. Too low, voids and defect. Too high, you drain the dosing cylinder too fast. Set it to 2. Everything you set up leads directly to the next step. It's the one check that makes or breaks the print. Click Prepare. The machine purges the chamber with inert gas until oxygen drops below your configured threshold. Before you touch Start Build, 3 signals. Signal 1, oxygen level in the lower bar hits target. Signal 2, the indicator light at the top of the machine turns green. And signal 3, the status dot between the Start Build and Scan Layer button turns green. All 3 every single time. Miss one and you're printing in a contaminated atmosphere, porosity, oxidation, or even worse. Scan Layer. Click the laser through the first layer path. Use it to verify alignment before committing to the full run. Start builds start from layer 0 by default. If you're resuming an interrupted print, enter the specific layer number in Start Layer setting first. The machine picks up exactly from there. Pause completes the current layer and hold. Just push continue to continue the job. Stop is permanent. To resume the job, you have to restart the process from the prepare stage. Only use it for errors or safety. The 2D viewport shows your scan pass live layer by layer. Status, thickness, high, always visible. Navigate layers before the print start with the plus and minus icons. The 3D viewport. Left side tracks big cylinder position in real time. And the right side shows your full model updating with every layer. That is the complete Thunder SLM-175 control panel. Setup mode to build mode, axis to live print monitoring. If this was useful, subscribe, the full series there. Question in the comments? And so see you in the next one.